Hello everyone and welcome back. Do you usually poach eggs this way? As soon as the egg hits the water, everything starts to fall apart. The yolk breaks, the whites spread everywhere, and the water quickly turns into a messy, cloudy mess. Luckily, I've discovered a new method for poaching eggs that's both clever and simple. Even beginners can do it at home to help you achieve soft, smooth, and beautiful poached eggs. First, you'll need to prepare some fresh chicken eggs. Next, take out your steamer and place 3 heat-resistant bowls inside it. Pour enough water into each bowl to fill it about halfway. Then add half a teaspoon of salt to each bowl. Followed by 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and stir until everything is dissolved. The salt enhances the flavor, while the vinegar helps the egg whites set faster, ensuring the eggs retain their shape during cooking. Once ready, carefully crack each egg into its respective bowl, being very gentle so as not to break the yolk. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Now place a pot on the stove, add about 1 liter of water. Cover it, and bring to a boil. When the steam starts rising vigorously, carefully place the steamer basket on top of the pot and cover it tightly. Unlike blanching directly in boiling water, the hot steam will cause the egg whites to set slowly and evenly around the yolks. The appropriate cooking temperature is medium heat, and the ideal steaming time is 7 to 8 minutes. While waiting, I used a measuring cup to measure out about 70 milliliters of vinegar and poured it into a large bowl. Next, I heated about 200 milliliters of water and added it to the bowl. Stirring well so the vinegar would mix with the hot water. I prepared 5 fresh chicken eggs and gently cracked them into the bowl of water and vinegar mixture, making sure the yolks remained intact. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I let the eggs soak in the mixture for about 5 minutes. This allows the outer white to begin setting, ensuring the eggs retain their shape better during cooking and don't separate. By now, the first batch of eggs has been steamed for 7 minutes. Open the lid to check, and you'll see that the eggs are fully cooked. I carefully lift the steamer basket out of the pot of water. Then immediately place the large bowl containing the 5 eggs we prepared earlier into the pot. Cover the pot again and continue steaming over medium heat for about 7 to 8 minutes. Returning to the results of the first batch of eggs, to remove them, simply use a silicone spoon to gently slide along the side of the bowl. The eggs will come out very easily. And there you have it, perfectly poached eggs with beautifully delicate whites enveloping the yolks. Each egg has a smooth, soft surface and a lovely rounded shape, while the yolks remain gently tucked inside. The whites are tender and silky, with no messy edges or scattered pieces. When placed on the plate, they look clean, elegant, and incredibly appetizing. And this is the moment you've been waiting for. When you cut them in half, the golden yolks are fully cooked, yet still retain their rich, creamy, and smooth texture. With just a small change in your cooking method, you can create beautiful, easy-to-make poached eggs that turn out almost perfectly on your very first try. After 7 to 8 minutes, the second batch of eggs is also done. Open the pot lid, and you'll see that all 5 eggs have retained their beautiful round shape, with the whites completely enveloping the yolks, just as they would if cooked individually. This is a particularly useful tip when you need to prepare breakfast for the whole family or want to poach multiple eggs at once while still achieving uniform and visually appealing results. And of course, the most important part is the inside. Let's cut one in half together. You can see that the yolk is still soft and smooth, looking incredibly appetizing. There's almost no difference from steaming each egg individually in a bowl. So, no matter which method you choose, the result will be beautiful, tender, poached eggs that are very easy to make. Now, I'm going to prepare another steamed egg trick that will surprise you. Prepare 6 silicone molds in your favorite shapes. Next, use a brush to coat the bottom and sides of each mold with a very thin layer of cooking oil. This small step will make it easier to remove your finished treats from the molds. Now you'll need 6 fresh eggs. Carefully crack each egg into its respective silicone mold, one at a time, being careful not to break the yolk. And you don't have to use just one type of mold for this recipe. You can also try different silicone molds in various shapes and sizes, such as round, heart-shaped, flower-shaped, or even small square molds. Simply choose the shape you like, place the egg inside, and cook it using the same method. Silicone molds are flexible, non-stick, and make it easy to remove the eggs without breaking them. So feel free to get creative and use different molds to make your eggs look more fun, unique, and beautiful. Next, place a pot on the stove, add about 1 liter of water. Cover it, and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, take out your steamer and place each silicone mold containing an egg inside it. Once the water is boiling, place the steamer over the pot and cover it with a lid. The ideal steaming time for a soft-centered yolk is about 6 to 7 minutes. If you prefer a runnier yolk, simply steam for about 5 minutes. When you see that the whites have fully set and turned opaque white, that means your eggs are perfectly cooked. Thanks to the thin layer of oil you added earlier, you can simply gently bend the silicone mold with your hands to easily remove the eggs from the molds. Now, carefully transfer the eggs to a plate and enjoy every bite. From which country are you watching this video? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. This is an extremely simple and easy-to-follow method for poaching eggs, yet it's incredibly effective. If you like this method, give it a try at home and let me know how it turns out. Once cut open, you'll see a perfectly cooked yolk surrounded by a soft and tender egg white. Every bite is smooth and full of flavor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.